Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Parsonver Smartwatch for women. Of course, it's not only for women. If you are another person, then you can wear it too, no problem. The Parsonver 1.69 inches, that's a 43mm smartwatch for Android phones and iPhone. It's compatible with that devices because you will need an app for it, and this app will pair your smartphone with that watch. And then you have a big bunch of possibilities which you can use here. What awesome. That's smart. That's cool. And it's IP68 waterproof. It's a fitness watch with HD touch screen monitor and of course a tracker function, a heart rate function. It's a pedometer in pink. It's also available in black on the market. That means 1.69 inches large display and a vivid interface. Unique watch face design. It's a pretty fluttering butterfly in default, okay? On the screen, fashionable and exquisite. We can also upload our favorite pictures to customize the watch interface or choose from 100 plus watch faces in the app to suit our everyday mood and outfit. We do sports with that smart partner here. Whenever walking, running, treadmill, cycling, climbing, basketball playing, swimming, yoga, elliptical, badminton, or cricket, the Parsonver Smartwatch will always be our stalwart accompany. It's not only this, it can record every moment of our exercise through the real-time statistic on the watch. We keep us well informed. This smartwatch can read message from WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, etc. or reject incoming calls on the smartwatch screen. Note, it cannot answer calls or replay the message, okay? But we can see it and it gives us information about it. Also, it can use the fitness tracker watch to track our steps and calories, a heart rate and sleep monitoring. Always pay attention to our health. The data cannot be used for medical purpose, of course, okay? But this is standard on the market. IP68 waterproof. That means we can go swimming with it. Long-lasting, wide compatibility. We can wear it when washing the hands and go swimming in the pool. We don't wear it when swimming in the sea, bathing or sauna, okay? And it only takes 2 hours to charge and can be used for 7 up to 10 days or 30 days in standby time. This smartwatch is suitable for the almost all smartphones, like Samsung, iPhone, and so on. The Fit Cloud Pro app supports iOS 10 and Android 5 or above, and Bluetooth 5.0. And we have so much health tracking features, real-time dynamic heart rate monitoring function, and sleep monitoring function too. Deep sleep, light sleep, and awake time. Detects our sleep from 9 p.m. to 12 p.m. next day. This offers a comprehensive sleep quality analysis and more functions to explore, such as weather, alarm clock, stopwatch, timer function, music control, sedentary reminder, find our phone with that smartwatch, etc. That meets our daily needs. Really, it's easy. The watch case is made of metal. Those who are allergic to metal should pay more attention of it, okay? We don't wear the watch too tight or wear it for a long time, so our with skin can breathe well and feel comfortable, like every watch on the market. We cannot answer calls or send messages. The sleep monitor all records from 9 p.m. to 12 p.m. next day, and the Bluetooth connection distance is 8 up to 10 meters. The smartwatch data can be used for medical purpose. The monitoring data is for reference only. The smartwatch is not compatible with personal computer or tablets. We have to need a smart device for it, like a smartphone, where we can download the app. If we have a computer with an emulation software on it, maybe this will work too, okay? We do not operate the watch underwater and wear the watch to deep dive. We do not use it in bath sauna, hot spring, or other environments where it causes liquid and hot steam, which will lead to product failure, maybe. We have a multifunction smartwatch. A multifunction smartwatch including activity tracker, heart rate monitor, sleep tracker, travel sport modes, message notifications, music and camera control, sedentary reminder, alarm, etc. And breath training and sedentary reminder, designed to guide our relax yourself and relieve the fatigue. It supports 1 up to 2 minutes of abdominal breathing exercises. The sedentary reminder function helps us to develop an energetic and healthy lifestyle. And camera control. We go to the Fit Cloud app to activate the camera control. Then we can directly control the phone's camera on the watch to record our cherished moments. And we have a magnetic charger. This magnetic charging is widely compatible with the phone charger. It's compatible ports and so on. 2 hours charging can last 7 up to 10 days of working time. 2.5 millimeter, 0.1 inches gap between 2 pins. And 30 days non-stop battery. We have fun, 7 up to 10 days of the battery life, or 30 days to standby time on one charge. It can satisfy varieties of usage needs to need to charge frequently. And music control. We can control the music playback of our smartphone on the fitness watch to play. Pause, next, previous song. We let us enjoy the world of music freely and remotely, because this is our new remote for our smartphone. The Parsonver Smartwatch is a sport fitness partner on our wrist. New day, new watch dial, new mood. The Parsonver Smartwatch contains 4 fixed dials along with 80 more dials within the app. We can choose the dial that is in line with our mood of the day. Or also it can upload our favorite pictures to customize the watch face. Standing, moving, exercising. The Parsonver watch is the fitness partner that bears on our breath, monitoring our heart rate, sleeping situation, etc., directly showing our daily activities. This all brings this smartwatch to us. And, of course, we can replace the band without a tool. That's cool. And, of course, it comes in a gold body and a pink band, which you can replace with another color band too. And it's tool free to replace this. This is the smartwatch for women. The Parsonver smartwatch is also available in black finish. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.